Dorio.
Actually, this is the video which I take it customized video. So I take the pre-trained weights from the research paper, which is present in the GitHub link provided by the research paper. So I use my video to train the model. So I use my customized one. So I train this. So find the how many person present in the video. Nothing but crowd count.
So you already trained it.
Yeah, I'm
Great,
not
yeah.
trained. I find the pre-trained weights from the research paper. So
Okay.
which was published by them. So they have the GitHub account. So in that account they have the already trained weights. They mentioned it. So I take that weights. I use the customized one. Just I,
Okay.
I give the in video input to
Yeah,
that.
that's what. We are thinking we are still at discussion level, but you have gone through one more level up, so it's good.
Yeah. So to this I get this results.
So 21. So approximately
So
like
actually,
seems to be.
actually, the manually I counted the people. There are 21 to 22 members. But in the starting of the video, algorithm predicted 28. But due to optimizer, so at the end by going by frame, it predicted the 21. So it reaches to the optimum point.
So it matched finally. Exact.
Yeah, not exactly, but okay, somewhat. Actually, in the research paper, they are using the Stochastic SGD, not Adam.
Okay.
So these are things. So just I actually explore the idea. So
But
some
Danny, the most preferred one is Adam, right? As we know,
hey,
like
yeah, hey, okay, Adam, but I just take the research paper. They mention the SGD, so just I
hmm.
implement I implement the research paper as it is.
Hmm. But
As
we can give
I
a
give
try with Adam also in the same code. Like
we can use the
that
Adam.
is where like yeah, to get more like if it will start with 21 itself, then it will be like more optimized in a way. Like
Yeah.
yeah, okay, yeah, it's a
So,
good thing.
so,
Like yeah.
so I explored this thing.
Hmm.
Again, in the mentioned the sheet. So this is in the last class in the last meeting you said that this is the from the application of detailed one. So that's why I focus on this thing.
Yeah, you even among all, right? My area of interest is only that one because that is very close to that business sector, right? So it will have more weightage also. So
Yeah.
anyhow, that topic wise, in any use case, we have to identify the crowd density.
What any
In all,
use case?
in all the use cases, topic we have segregated, right? Three topics.
Yeah.
Among that crowd density. Anyhow, we have to do it. Even in multiple use cases also, this process we have to do it in that way only. Maybe it may
Yeah.
be it may be some other shopping mall area or it may be different case, but the exact methodology which we have to follow is predict and then do analysis on that. Correct. So
Yeah.
Yeah, so many things will come, Iswar, down the
correct.
line. Once like your model will be in place, then the sub model or sub application of that model will start. Like how we can use that model in detecting the public. Again, we can go ahead with the thing like what the particular part of the density is doing what. That level of micro level analysis can start on that.
Correct.
You can
This
say
is
like
this is
yeah,
the generalized one. So if
correct.
you have any particular idea for which
Mhm.
belong to your company, so you can implement that particular idea using this generalized one. So
So
Correct, correct.
the objective of paper is we need to calculate the crowd. So that is the generalized one. So if you have a business problem like how many persons are present in the particular time, so that is the your particular case, specific case. But generalized is you need to find the how many persons present in the time.
That is what we can take the example of retail store. No,
Example.
it
Yeah.
will be very much closer in that way. Like the cameras will be all over, and this model will be integrated with that cameras at, just to capture the current situation, and then on running this model, we will keep on getting the numbers of density, and again based on that density, we will decide like in the entire store. which areas are getting more public viewing, like people are reaching more? Is it like the vegetable part or the fabric, like whatever the clothes and all selling is happening, or the electronic part, like that? So that way the density will be captured, and then based on that it will give an insight to the company, like the business is happening in which direction.
Yeah.
So even these, the complexity of project, even if we are increasing the project which we have to split, even this we want, like first step is like how many people are there, and then after that posture of them, and after analyzing what else, whether they're buying or just seeing it. So even if we have data set now, what I feel is just go ahead with these step by step, which we will able to find the generic data sets, like a crowd density we can able to easily get it, like that. After that posture, it is we can easily guess it, right? Like that
So
we will,
actually,
that is what means my mean to say is uh, like split that big complex thing into smaller parts, so that even with that smaller task, right, for understanding whatever data set it is available, readily available, we will try to implement on that, and after that we will try to like collect more relevant data sets instead of waiting for even single thing. Suppose crowd density, you have taken one video from some source, right? Like that, even we don't need to search for only the supermarket or some mall kind of crowd. So even any crowd, it will be good, right?
yeah.
Hmm. So that is what. So instead of delaying much into like if suppose if you take like retail, we will not concentrate on retail alone, but the problem
No,
statement
retail
we
is
will
one of the cases is where it is going to be anywhere, like wherever crowd is getting
correct. So
gathered,
there
and
they
based on the, yeah, why they have gathered, and based on
hmm.
that what business insight we can bring
Yes.
out, that is going to be
Hmm.
easily traceable.
So
So
the
it can be
problem
hospital
statement,
also.
correct.
In a hospital we can take the case like patients wide, where the density is more. That way we can collect the idea, like what particular kind of areas people are getting more density and all. So like this, wherever crowd is gathering, and then they are trying to do something for their benefit, or any business is getting driven from that area, we have to concentrate on that part.
Correct.
So it's going to be multiple cases actually,
Yeah,
and with
cases
time we'll
cases it
explore
is
also.
okay. The thing
Hmm.
which I am highlighting here is cases may come like n number of cases. That is okay. But
Hmm.
our
Right, right.
approach, I am telling, our approach, if whatever data set it is available, like crowd related, so we will try to
Hmm.
identify the sub problem statement inside the one, and we will try to dig that data sets which is available, readily available. We will work on it, and we will come to
Hmm.
some conclusion, and we can try even later, like with the actual data set. If you are willing to showcase that one for supermarket, then we'll try to get that data set, and we can return, right, that one.
Yeah, yeah. So first a generic one will be made, and then can be implemented on multiple verticals.
Yes. So
Got the point.
this is one thing, and Ravi Teja, he came today. Good.
Oh, Ravi joined us.
Yes, yes.
Hey Ravi, hi. Is he listening us?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think so.
So let's we focus on that project selection wise. Like at least we'll take one step towards which like three topics, under three topics, which use case we will try to get the data sets. We'll try to pick that one, and we'll go ahead.
Yeah,
Am
you
I
can share your
host?
screen, Ishwar.
Yeah, Jani, you can share that common sheet, or if you make me host, I can also share. Okay, so
Now
I
you are
will share.
hosting.
Mhm. So, so this is the sheet which we have last discussed, and people have updated also. So that is so we will just go through one by one use case with the CV. What are the things it is there? We will try to color different thing which we will pick it.
What is that CV? Crowd volume?
Computer vision.
Okay, okay. I thought that crowd volume, the new name has come.
Mm, okay, so retail marketing. Anyhow, this is one of the thing which we are talking about. So I'm making that one. So accident destruction, I didn't see means we can do it, but this priority wise we will go with this one. And coming back to prediction and this today I have just thought like when I'm sitting in home now. So this is like the video access, right? It is being given to open to parents. So if their kids was placed in an like a, kindergarten or like daycare,
Yeah, yeah.
they
Nowadays
can.
they are saying, yeah.
So they are seeing. So seeing they cannot continuously monitor, right? So once in a hour or something they will see and they will close within 5-10 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 1 minute they will hardly see.
Hardly
So
1 or 2 minutes monitoring happening.
so
Yeah.
what we can do, we can predict the actions of a kid, and we can alert like face recognition using. We can identify if there are multiple kids are there. We can using face recognition. We can identify the kid and that kid actions, whether he is crying or he is laughing, playing like that.
Hmm.
That seems like
Hi,
the
Ishwar.
nearest approach. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
Mm.
Um, this one action camera action, right? This is actually present in MI camera 360.
Mm.
If you have seen, it will be giving us a notification in our mobile whenever
Correct.
a person enters the room or whenever a person comes in front,
Yeah, even
right?
direct cameras, IP cameras with that features also somewhere I have seen in ads like what you say. You told am I right? Like that. So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
camera will be placed in a home where the kid is sleeping, and if there is any
Mm-hmm.
rise in voice, now then they will trigger
Mm-hmm.
based on that, not based on the AI. Now nowadays AI was not applied even MA. So what they will do is like any rise in the voice or change in the
Okay.
picture, they are trying to predict it. So that is like nearest problem statement to the like what I thought.
So Ravi, the ask is here very clear. Like it is already available. Even the all the solutions what we are talking, it is there in the market. But how
Yes,
much
yes.
we will try to create the same thing with some innovation or the exact thing, that will be the
Mm-hmm.
winning situation for us because we don't know what is happening, right? If we will
Yes,
try to
yes.
get it done, then definitely it is going to be a great achievement for everyone.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So coming closer to that, so even in apartments, right, everywhere CC cameras will be there, and it will be there. Okay, only when theft was happened, that time they will see. Rest of the things it will not see. But we can make like if some stranger came, like we know in apartment, like a small apartment, if you see some 100 people maximum, it will be there. So 100 faces recognition, it will be like it's not a big deal. So if other than that, some people are coming observing actions of that stranger, so that normally marketing people will come like that, na? Like child kidnappers also nowadays it is like a fashion, like marketing guys they will come and they will loot, even putting knife they are like taking chains, gold, everything from home also. So that stranger actions also we can identify and we can alert like that, I thought. So these, and this is personality again it is coming under this one, since the like Kogel there I pasted here, even personality classification as well as the posture detection, it is like closely related, right? So the link will be useful like that.
Nowadays, it's a famous data set coming,
Hmm.
posture data section and all.
Hmm.
People are doing more like so
And
it's a very common thing actually.
so
Yeah.
this is a subtopic I can say with the retail marketing also, so I kept here.
Mm-hmm.
Then prediction of activities of driver. This was given by Raja, I think. Yeah, Raja. So he heard from somewhere like the driver now nowadays Ola cabs, rental cabs everybody is using, right? So there the rating will be given for each and every driver. Instead of that, his history, like past 1 hour history or 2 hours history, how it is, like he's driving like in a drunken state, or he's study, or he is using an FG roads, like that now, so that the past 1 hour, that are the recent data if we get as a user profile, like we have booked a cab and the driver profile is coming, and along with that some status of it, the driver status, how he is, like he's a good driver or rash driver or something like that. So that now based on the actions how he's doing, so that we will alert the people he can cancel cab or book another, or he will try to like skip the schedule, or he can take actions. That is one use case. That this last time we have, I think computer vision will complete, right? So among these retail marketing, I feel like the most preferred one. Inside that, so many subtopics like classification, like posture reduction. These things are so. Shall we conclude on this one? So retail marketing is good in my view. What are the other
Actually,
people view?
actually, you can give a direct domain name like marketing analytics. That is the famous what it is happening right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Under that, everything will.
Hmm.
So the
So
project name can come under marketing analytics. So there you will be doing lots of things. Like recently, I was going through one of the use case where the fitness band is there. Okay, so how you will do the marketing of fitness band,
hmm.
and while doing that, people are using AI/ML as well. That how we are doing, we will be targeting areas first where it is going to be used. It will be like park area or the area where health conscious people are more actively moving or hovering,
Correct.
like in a
So,
mall. If any gym appliances are being sold, there people will be seen more like that. They will start targeting people like that.
hmm.
So one of the use case, it's like that, just like I'm telling marketing analytics how they're using AI/ML.
Hmm. So the names may be different, but I the picking up the area like topic, so that next level what we have to do, we have to dig what the data sets are, similar models are implemented in
Hmm.
research papers. We pick some specific thing and we have to go deeper search, right? For that,
Hmm.
I want to hear from all, like if you take a CV, here we have, and bottom image captioning is different. Okay, let me color then.
NLP are we touching now, because NLP is again another different deep learning kind of thing. We will be using more in that.
We'll,
So
we'll, we'll, we'll discuss. So this is
yeah.
again, so CV related again, damage reduction of solar panels is also coming under same thing. So this we haven't discussed right then. So prediction of activities of driver we have discussed. Solar panels and quality testing. These two data sets is very difficult to get it. And nameplate detection. This we can get it easily, no problem. Uh, and
I think
any
nameplate iNeuron they are doing for Vahan.
Vahan? Oh, and it means as
For
a not as a project. They are doing like product.
they are doing like a product, like they have
Okay.
made the entire model and give like sold it to Vahan. Vahan is a government this
Okay.
application. So what they are doing, they are using that for detecting the vehicle where people are not wearing helmet or they are doing some mischief activity and going, running away. So with the help of nameplate, they are detecting the actual address and all, like who the person was on the vehicle.
So this again, just now I have pasted since the link I got it. But it is like huge concept.
Autonomous driving where conditional limitation learning, and this is like very high level thing.
Yes, yes. Since that I got it right, so people
we
can
will
go
be
through it.
we will be in competition with Elon Musk and Google
Yes,
if
yes.
we will start doing that.
So whatever LO is like one topic, okay. So NLP is
Mhm.
coming another topic. So people have I have gone through all this. So what is the other people like? Which one will pick? Just open unmute your mic and speak up.
Yeah, people should be speaking. Anyway, Aman, Ravi, Praneeth, throw your voice, man. Like it should not be like few people are talking and discussing on the things. Try to add your points also, views, whatever you feel.
Okay, Sripati.
You
So Ravi is driving the show.
Ravi, you got the question? What I'm asking? So we have like
Mm,
now under computer vision, okay. So these many topics are coming up, whatever yellow highlighted, but we should not continue all in parallel, right? So what we will do is we will pick any one. So which one
Yes,
will
sir.
be your preference among these? So my
Yeah,
preference, I have voted for retail marketing since it involves so many
Ye-
subtopics. So like that,
yeah,
yes,
yeah. It will have
Raja.
subdomain. Yeah, correct. Will
Also
come.
told, yeah, as Shivade told, that it would be very helpful use case right now in retail markets. I also hope that will be best as of now, and we
Among,
can
among these yellow
implement
highlighted
the
at
same
least.
retail marketing only.
Okay, your vote is for retail marketing, and Aman.
Yes.
Yeah, if we are going for computer vision only, then retail marketing, I think it
Yeah.
good.
Who else? Aman, Raja, Praneeth.
So I'll go same retail marketing because as you have said, the retail marketing is very high in them, and we can analyze those data and we can give suggestions, and we can have like a very good use case in the retail marketing.
Okay, okay. So you are also okay with this, and Raja. Raja.
Raja is on mute.
Hello. Bro.
Yeah, no, Raja is.
Yeah. So among these computer vision topics, right? So which one you have suggested one topic that is okay, but if you like, if as a team, if you want to start up with one project, okay. So which is your preference among this?
Retail marketing, bro.
Entire market. So it is good here. It is monopoly. So thanks for
It's
coming
like
up
a
with some
biased
good idea.
outlier now.
Yeah.
I'm seeing retail marketing outlier in there.
Correct.
It should not be. Why people are treating like that?
No, at least we like one time we just say yeah, everybody is okay with it. Maybe in that now we will be even attacking the problem statement in a generalized way,
No,
so that it can be
definitely
implemented to any other your problem statement,
it's going to
computer
be a
vision.
big umbrella. I'm telling you, sir, it's going to be a
Mm-hmm.
big umbrella. Under this, so many subdomain will come. Just
Correct.
like one example I'm giving, fitness band is a part of retail marketing only.
Mm-hmm.
So that way we will start segmenting the product also. Fitness band is there, then we can start segmenting for vegetables. Like that, how we can bring out the best solution of the problem people are facing. So first thing first, we have to capture the problem under retail marketing in general. We'll have to just visualize in a store we are going, what are the things as we have to keep empathy open up for us, like being a customer, what I am facing the problem, and same thing will start replicating in the problem, and then the solution will come, visualizing the solution will come in the picture.
Even
So
when
it's a
it
big
comes,
domain actually.
yes, yes, even when it comes with marketing, right? I want to even explore more related to like targeting audience, like for digital marketing. That is also like a very good
It
ongoing
will
business.
come down the line, recommendation, and then a priori all these things will coming under that only, e-commerce only. So a priori is like when you are buying anything on Amazon or Flipkart, they are selling a combination. Like buying a shoe, they will show socks with that shoe. Buying a headphone, they will show something. No, so it's a kind of a priori they used to do. It's a recommendation system. So like that, so many things come under e-commerce also. But let's start with the store part first. Like in retail marketing, again, let's start
So
with store. Then we will get into
going
e-commerce.
out of this, right? So I want to like ask one thing. Okay, so even I'm discussing with people, Raja or Pranit, I don't know, they come up with some like app which is already available for dating. Okay, so when you are in a like public place and you see some good person girl somewhere, so you can like search for it is coming in that. So you can have that people like okay, if the face matches, so she is there, then you will like try to contact if both are in that same application, same app, okay, and application. So anything available readily for like marketing, say like one person came, so like, so who are people are coming to our store, like instead of knowing the number, if the people targeted people also we know, right? Then the more analytics can be done easily. So any other like
So
ongoing
you
or
are
already
going
available?
with
So yeah, actually, the problem case coming under bias one. If you focus, for example, if you want to take in a particular phase in the retail domain, for example, today I have work for the grocery or, for example, Christmas shopping. Most of the time, the ladies go to the Christmas shopping. Remaining days, the ladies not present in the shopping. Most remaining days, for example, small things. So at that time, we have the less data belong to that person. So we get the very less data. So we cannot improve any model on that data. For example, if you want to try choose that type of case. So the idea is right, but when it work is, so the regular person, for example, if you take a gym, the persons are constant, they are regularly coming. When it comes to the retail market, we cannot assure that the person
No. I am not saying like using computer vision. Okay, so that's what I am first word itself. I told I am going out of this topic. So I want to know, is there anything it is available, because they are doing the thing right using geotagging. They are doing okay. That is which I know. But using geotagging, if two people are in the same place, they are matching their list. Okay, they are updating their list. These people are there in your place. Okay, so like that thing, anything it is relevant to like marketing things also being done, I'm asking.
So that
No,
is
I don't
again
know.
domain expertise. Where what it is, if somebody is having marketing knowledge, no, then they can correlate this case and get into more detail. Like we all guys are not having background in marketing, right? So what we can do, like we have to go through some of the marketing use cases, like how it is happening, and then based on that we can bring out the point, like yeah, how it can be converted into analytics. So that is what one thing we can do. So ideas can be, it will be ample. You can come
So
up with lots of
even
things.
in some of the most of the time now, what they are doing is they are taking the mobile number and using mobile number, right? They are tracking like how frequent the person is coming, what products he
Exactly.
is
It's like
using.
very, very specific to person, your behavior, your buying activity, everything is coming in the picture, right? So that is like we are going more deeper, like it's a kind of going more deeper with personality and doing the analytics. So that we can start doing also with time. If use cases will come in that way, we can bring out solid. First thing first, the approach will be to find a problem and the right problem. We can create here lots of problem out of anything, but actually that problem what we will be discussing in future should be bringing the real value in terms of solution. It should not be like vague or going out of way. So let's concentrate everybody. I will be saying everybody including me to find a right problem in the business. It can be, let's say now, right now we are talking retail marketing, then let's start exploring everything inside retail marketing. What are the things happening? I have given use case because I have worked in a very second largest retail of America, Target. So I was knowing few of the things what they are doing, but in that company, hell lots of things are going on. I was not aware of. So that way, we all have to go into lots of use cases from retail itself, and then find out the right problem which we can solve. Again, we need data also in that respect. So that is what the point is.
So any other points for this CV, so that we can go to that NLP topics?
Even Johnny, like your point on that.
Yeah,
He
I'm
already
okay with
worked
that.
out and came back with
Yeah,
the
that is
approach.
what he now.
He's
I'm
okay.
asking him as if like he is a master. So how he
No,
feels,
no,
like how he is going
no.
to, input the confidence in the team. Like, yeah, next
So
thing
yeah,
I will take care.
so this is new to me. I don't up to now I didn't see this type of problem statement. So this is new
Hmm.
to me. So another
Okay.
thing is the research going on this topic is recently done. The actual research ever in I think so maybe this year May, I think so. There is a recent research paper released. So I in that way I'm going. So what is market needed now? I'm going in that way.
Hmm.
So because they are researching on that topic means that the problem statement is really required. So that's why I'm going
Fair.
to that in that.
And the business is widely open. The biggest name I will take here is Walmart. Then comes Lowe's, Target, Amazon. All these are big giants in retail, and
Yeah, that's
Tesco
right.
is another from UK. So all
So
these are
yeah,
big.
another thing is I think so one or two after 1 or 2 years there is Amazon Go. Amazon Go is something like supermarket is present. Now. There is
Uh-huh.
so if it comes then this idea works very well for them, because
Right.
in that area no person is present, only computer vision works. So if computer vision works clearly, they
What is
find that
Amazon Go?
which
What it do exactly?
exactly it is a like a supermarket, but no one works there.
It's
So you
a
need to go
humanless.
in.
It's a humanless.
Oh.
Like from their part, nobody will be there. You will
Okay.
be entering the store with a card.
Uh-huh.
You will be buying everything. Everything will be automated from your entering
Oh,
to coming
some
out with the bill part.
yeah, some videos even I have seen like even
Yeah,
the
yeah.
billing partner they
Already,
are not doing. They are just walking out with
correct,
the
correct.
apron.
I'm telling you, na, you will be the only person inside the store. There will be no human being will be seen. That is what
So
they're
office
targeting.
staff, office staff,
It will
nobody
be
will be there.
completely out of staff. No Amazon person you will see. Everything will be in the back end. They will be monitoring you through cameras, and everything will be working through computer vision only.
So in that the
And
case is that the problem statement is in Amazon Go. So if you have more people present in the particular area, that means there are lot of persons buying that product. Means they are, the vacant is the product is vacant. So you need to fill that product. So that is the problem statement I choose.
exactly,
So
this
I
is the
think
problem statement in Target also. What you have said
yeah.
now.
So
So what they are doing, fruits are being kept. They are watching the apple basket. They are watching the banana basket. The moment it is getting over, there will be an alarm trigger to the person sitting in the back end who is taking care of the supply chain part. Instantly, somebody will be sent with the product to be filled again. So that is what the analytics they have applied like 2-3 years back.
so even that Amazon Go, the terminology now I am hearing, but that some ads I have seen. The people
Yeah,
are
it
going
was there.
without billing, right? That technology
Yeah,
is
yeah.
some
Whenever
other
the
thing.
whenever the person enters into the store, it will scan the code, ATM card like that, and it will
No,
check the balance. Whenever the
they
person keeps anything into the basket, it will calculate the amount, how much it
correct,
will be there.
correct. The barcode reader is there in the basket itself.
So
Yeah,
it is
Oh,
like a metro code.
that is
How
what.
much you
So they are using barcodes in the basket, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
like it's
The machine will be fixed inbuilt in the basket itself. So it will
And
scan the bar. Yeah,
as you know that Amazon Pay balance is there, and it will calculate if it is sufficient amount is there or not there. Everything will be calculated. It will
no,
directly
there are
I can
lots of things. Even they are going to scan your eyes also for entering in the store. So be ready for those time.
yeah.
People are going to see. So anyway, if we will be working in this direction, definitely all these things. If we make it like 40 to 50% also now in a very proper way, be ready to be working on a big giant company with a good package and all. Life will be really great. So and we all have to work together. It should not be like nobody feel like I'm not knowing or I'm knowing, nothing like that. We can explore lots of things together.
Yeah.
The
But
best part.
Yeah,
that
I hope everyone is working.
that team is good.
Every
Sripati. I feel like
yeah.
everybody, nobody is like not hesitating to like I will not do this, but nobody is saying any task. If we are asking her, they themselves they are coming up with some outputs and
Fortunately,
results.
we formed a great group actually, I will say. Fortunately. Okay.
So
So
whether we go to NLP part now just to see the problem statements, analyze NLP our part
yes,
analyze.
sir. Already the eco is there for retail marketing. Then let's start on the next action plan on that only, if it is fine with you. We have a topic open going for.
Okay, then what we will do, yeah, at least since we people have collected our the problem statements are here in front of us, just we'll go through like quicker way what we have collected as the ideas. In future now, maybe if they are coming up with some like information about these relevant these, just keep it and share it so that
Yeah,
uh,
here it can be updated under
uh,
the segment it is coming.
uh, so here I will quickly go through these problems. This auto generation of reports by querying SQL. Last week I have discussed. Like we will like ask to about like I want these analytic report. I want these people this how many people entered into the market, or like that analytical report. So it has to automatically query through Python, and it has to get back with those analytics. That what the problem statement is. And auto generation of expense reports through analyzing SMS. This was given by Praneeth. And this also, like not only seen like Gmail, it is giving so many updates. Like if you have any travel kind of thing, it will automatically remind you like 1 hour before, like your flight is timing, like delay is there or not.
They are
The
following your
traffic
mail.
mails, they
Right.
are each and every word they are scanning, like the video. Even I have
They
shown
will
you.
they will note down all the events related to your mail and whatever the schedule it's been given. And if you have made the reminder enabled in that, then definitely they are going to keep on updating you regarding all the events coming in the future.
So this topic really, like this, since it is the ongoing one, if we have keep an eye on this will be like good next problem statement, like NLP with like huge
No,
data
NLP
sets
we
will be
will
there.
do one.
NLP will
Right,
do
right. NLP,
in
yeah.
NLP also that since the Google after seeing that Google alerts, right, that this statement, like I feel like it is more important, like I feel. Okay, so after that, bot for preparation of MOM, this also we have discussed. So in a meeting, people will be sitting and one bot will be there. So it will record all the voice and it will summarize the things, and with points, like with action points, it will summarize. That is this one. And auto
Yeah, this is good one.
mailing, matching job profiles. Indeed, this I only mentioned, like this is includes like web scraping along with NLP. So we are registering so many things, and we will not watch anyone. We know that because Indeed itself, if you register, right, it will give daily some 20 jobs. We will not see even single one, and we don't know what skill set it is matching with that job. So I started working with it. I scrapped almost some 7,000 job profiles and others from Indeed, but I started, means I didn't get progress. So my idea is like use NLP over it, so that if we have some skill set, some keywords, so how much percentage the job profile is matching with you, or if you are lagging with most of the job profiles, what skill set you want to build up, like that. The idea thought, and I started working, but I left it in mid. So this is this one. And since it is closely related, I put it here. I think this alone, the candle that, that's why I put here.
Looking at all this, I'm feeling like you start your own AI company, man. So many things coming.
See,
Seriously.
the technology itself, it is like that now. Nobody cannot restrict to
Why
their
you'll
limits.
be wasting your time for other company? Put your own embassy, man.
Like you
many
people are
things are
there in
coming.
the support, na? Definitely we can start up everything. Even in IT company, it is like a common thing. After working for US, they'll come out and they will start their own company.
Right.
Yes. So uh, detecting similar queries, since it is a subtopic of that, and I got this data set I have mentioned here. And image captioning, I don't know who has attended it. Johnny, you image captioning? I am guessing you.
No, I'm not image captioning.
So
Aman.
could be Narayana.
Aman.
Aman. Okay, Aman.
Aman, okay. So this, even last time with Johnny, we had this image captioning kind of thing. So it is like
No. Let Aman speak on this, because since you
okay.
put it, so let him echo his voice here. Aman, can you speak on this image caption?
Image captioning is basically we have image and we have to translate what the image is saying. So here we use both computer vision part to extract features from image, and then use the LSTM to convert it into words and
Any example,
sentences.
real-time example, short, if you can bring out.
Like if there is image of cap on the table, so what basically it gives the caption that image is on the that hat is on the table. It basically
Yeah.
caption
Actually,
of movies. If
The
we watch movie English movie, there is caption there, or on
simple
YouTube also.
That is
simple
voice to
example is
text, it is changing.
so,
This image,
actual simple example is if you go to the Google Images, you type the name of the image, not a image.
Yes, this is
You
correct.
didn't paste. You get the image in
Yes.
nothing but you type the English words. You get the image. Nothing but you converting the words into the images. That part you got
Even if you say Google, then there will be like indexing part is also, so people may get confused. Suppose we have like a number of images. Even the realistic example which we have discussed is in an office we are in meeting, we will be discussing so many things and we will be putting on a whiteboard so many things. Okay, and people know at the end of the meeting they will take a snap and they will keep it somewhere in their server. Okay, so if I want to like recall, okay, last week I have done this meeting and I want to see those images, so the images will be like placed somewhere and you will not able to find it easily, right? So the if you find a like keyword, what topic you have discussed or what name you have written on that, so keeping that letter, right, that word bring up these images. So it has to analyze the words in it, objects in it, both ways. So if you say cap, it has to, if I search for cap in that image is there, means to like bring this image. Or if we some text like a word, like we are presenting like supermarket kind of thing, right? If you say retail marketing, that word, and if you search retail marketing, it has to search in the image with that text and it has to bring up this image. So that if we have some done some statistic part or some flow charts if you have done, then it will like it will bring up that image.
Got it.
So this is also one of the good thing, and these now the realistic example which I seen is that image captioning nowadays it is happening even with Google search. So previously it is not there. Recent days it is there. Like if you search even videos with that particular length of topic, na, it is highlighting and it is giving us in the result. Most of the people might have seen that also. Have anybody seen that? Like if you search any
Can you
topic,
share the link on the WhatsApp so
which
that
one?
you can see the one you're talking about?
See, that is like
Is going to over now.
I don't know, the time is still. Suppose just say any query like Google, we will ask Google, like
You can put a machine learning itself. No?
machine learning is a huge topic, right? That at least some specific query.
Search anything like.
Oh, here previously it is coming like in even in videos now it is suggesting videos, but if it is a part of it, right? So it is showing the timeline where and where the video is been there. It is full length of three here now.
Clustering type.
Clustering type, not clustering type also. Like this video
For
itself, it
example,
will show. I will open. I will open just.
so 1 to 2 minutes introduction, 2 to 3 minutes is about this topic, 3 to 4 minutes about
So
this topic.
in
These are
YouTube,
the-
we have like
Yeah.
t is equal to some time. If you put, then it will go directly to that timeline, right? You know that one.
Yeah.
So like that, the start time and end time of the words which you are searching for, that is also coming.
Yeah.
So that's what, if you generic word, then it will be like full length video, the title it matches. So if you are been to any specific thing, right, then like it will give this one.
So
This is again a recommendation system.
Not recommendation, is the answer. See,
Actually,
you have a
actually,
question, you have a question, here is the answer, right, in the text. Okay, is there in video, under that video some parts, not the full length.
So 3 points for which I am looking.
No, this is not exactly
no.
segregated. I did
So
not get
Okay.
exactly.
I will explain. So I will explain. So you search the how to download the Instagram videos online. So these 3 lines are the procedure to how to download videos. So
Right, right.
you are not satisfied with the English words. You want to go to video. So in the database, which video contains this type of lines. For example, in the 3 lines present na. So in the 3 lines, in the which line is present in the video, you should it show that video. For example, you can download the video. So for a particular link is present na. So that link mentioned in the YouTube video. So
Okay, okay.
YouTube that video because the words converted into the image part. So for example, they are using also background. Actually, this is implemented by the Baidu. Actually, in the previous, I think so, 2012, 13, the search engine Baidu.
Mm-hmm.
So they implemented in their search engine. So 1 to 2 minutes you have the particular introduction, or if you have segments in the video, they cut the segments, they convert into the words type. For example,
Got
if you search a word, the video shows up.
So in
So
conclusion,
it is like more.
your words can be searched if it is present in that video.
Got it.
Okay. So again,
I think Baidu research.
No, that is what it's been said. No, China in another couple of years.
Because
Yeah.
they have only one country scientist. They publish a paper monthly, one research paper which is working on current situations. In
They would be
Google,
far behind.
Google have the remaining countries scientists also, but
there is even American these people now they are afraid of like China may take lead because they're from past 100 years they are like leaders, right?
No, that is going to happen as well.
Yes.
That is going to happen in terms of AI specifically. That AI is going to be dominated by China only.
Not only AI, space and AI both.
Space still they are not like successful. They are trying, but they are not successful. Space
Elon
could
Musk
be
is there
like
also. Elon Musk is there
SpaceX.
to defeat the China.
Correct.
And the China.
He is doing thing, and then our Indian people will not leave behind in that. They are also trying their best.
But I don't know about space. But in the terms of artificial intelligence, they make the progress in the current situations. For every month, they resolve the problem. They find out the new problem and they resolve the
Correct.
problem. So
Totally agree.
these are
That is happening.
So these are things happen in the field of Baidu.
Are they sharing the research paper, Jani? Are they?
They share the research papers also, but
Okay,
you cannot find the code of the research paper because
Correct.
the research paper implemented in the Paddle. Paddle is a framework which is developed by the Chinese machine learning and deep learning framework. Like Google developed TensorFlow, Keras, and Facebook developed PyTorch. Like China
They are
developed
having their own, yeah.
Paddle. So Paddle is their deep learning and machine learning framework. So
And
the
even though, and it will be in Chinese, I think language also. I tried going.
I think they both languages present. One is Chinese, one is in English also. But you cannot understand the framework. So we already work on that. We already tried in last thing. I think so some OCR thing. They recently they present a Paddle OCR. The name was Paddle OCR, which extract the key information from if you give any document, any image, anything. So if you want to extract a particular thing, a particular key information, the Paddle easily extract from the image or document. You don't need to do anything.
So it's like a complete framework. Only you have to give the input.
Yeah, but you cannot understand the framework because
That is what even I tried for AI ops. So AI ops is another big thing coming in the IT infrastructure. So most research I found it from China people, and very hard to get the research paper. Even I've gone through their code, it's out of blue. I was there, nothing was working for me.
ML ops or AI ops?
AI ops. It's a new terminology coming in IT infrastructure. Companies like Splunk, you have heard, like those people are using complete AI ops.
Yeah, okay. In the I search, I found that MLOps maximum in the profiles. From the
MLOps is a different story now. It's been created like 1 year back, but AIOps is in picture for last 2 to 3 years. You can search AIOps is another complete different field.
I think today our 40 minutes is not getting over. I think something has happened. 57 minutes it was happened and still.
That is what I'm saying. Like now they feel you are a good
Bro,
Zoom
huh?
user. They have given you a free subscription to use it unlimited.
Good. If it is like not disconnecting, we can save a few minutes of recording. And so coming, okay, shall we come back with this action plan for this retail marketing kind of thing? So
Yeah. So next what?
Once you go to the Google search, just go to Google. If
yeah.
go to Google search, just type crowd density estimation. Papers with code. Papers with code. Not videos, sir. Go to all.
Sorry. Papers with this one, first one.
Yeah, open. Anything.
Okay.
So it can come down. So starting one SDC net.
This one.
Starting go SDC net.
This one, right?
Go to the paper.
Paper.
First one.
So see all.
First. No paper. Go to paper.
Paper title.
No paper.
Okay. This one, right?
Yeah.
So PDF you want or this?
Yeah. PDF.
Yeah.
This is the research paper. Actually presented by them. So this presented with the August 2019 last year. This revised paper presented in the May.
Okay.
This year May. This is also from the China.
Okay.
Not Australia, not China. Sorry. China also some university of Australia.
But all people worked on this are looking Chinese only.
The combination of China and Australia though, two. Yeah, this is the research paper. So if you want to go with the retail marketing or crowd density estimation problem, so this is the research paper which I referred.
So it's including everything.
Yeah.
The GitHub code also they have given, right? The link what it is been given.
Yeah, GitHub code actually you present in the papers with code. In that.
Okay. They presented with the paper with the code. That is.
So it is available, right? You meant to say? Jani, it is available, right? You meant to say? Papers with code, which we have seen. The code is also available. Like
you can download, na?
Yeah, you can go to the direct GitHub link open.
That link is there in the PDF.
See here. That is what I'm telling.
The code, yeah, correct. It's directly.
So we have some reference also. It is good then.
I go through that link only. So I didn't create anything. I just downloaded the pre-trained weights already present in the. These are the datasets. Datasets presented na. So dataset here. Second column.
Yeah.
Second
dataset.
You want to click it?
No click. These are the current state of dataset.
Okay.
UCF, CC50, Strong Tech A, Strong Tech B. These are the crowd datasets. So presently, state of art data sets which are using to find out the crowd density estimation or train the model on it. These are the reference data sets like an ImageNet data set. How is the reference for the CNN? So this is main for the crowd density. This is 5R.
So our like
This SDC net is a state of art algo model.
Yeah.
Okay, like ResNet and AlexNet.
So ResNet, AlexNet, those are from the particular specific thing. So the SDC net is a particular problem statement is to find out the crowd density in the current market. Algorithm performs the better compared to the previous algorithms. So this is now is a state of algorithm up to now. Got it?
So what is the next action plan on this? Like if you will be referencing this particular thing, so
First of all, if you want to represent this thing in anywhere, you need to understand the architecture of the, for example, architecture of the algorithm.
correct.
So nobody asks you the code, complete code. Nobody asks you anything. They ask you the how working process of the network, or working process of algorithm, or architecture of.
Yeah, even reaching to the best method, how you have concluded it the best method. So you have to give the comparison with other algorithm also, like why SDC net is better than the XYZ whatever you have used. So we have to do R&D with multiple algorithm, and then we can say like,
You don't need to go anywhere in the research paper. The end to end, what you want to explain for anyone, you find the end to end. You also have the previous things.
in that, yeah.
Everything. So
Okay, then it's good. Yeah, because that is where, even though we are proving something best, then we have to bring out the good way and better in the picture also.
So if you find the related work, there is a separate related work.
Okay.
So this is the previous work which is present up to now.
Density map regression they are showing, no? You can scroll down this one.
So up to now they are using the density map regression, and another one is the linear thing something. So the local configuration.
As you compare network.
So
cool, no? So we have option, yeah.
So these are not performing well on a sparse people. So that's why they are proposing a new architecture. That is this architecture. These are about how the architecture working. So this is the algorithm.
The next immediate plan will be like directly jumping into this research paper, or how it is. That is what
you need to first of all you need to understand the abstract of the research paper, because it tells the
that is what. So abstract in the sense we are jumping into this research paper, right?
Yeah.
So that.
Because we are not familiar with the research paper before. If we have the no problem. If we are new for the research paper, you need to go through the nearly 3 to 4 times in the abstract part only, because in the abstract part you get the overall view of the research paper. So complete overall research idea. Then only if you jump into the another thing, introduction part or some deeper, you can understand you can relate the things which you are see in the abstract part.
So at least can we like freeze what are the sub problem statement is available? Like this crowd density estimation, it is one thing. Okay, like after crowd density, what we will be going to do? Like position gesture, right? Or that identification the particular area, like by if it is like Apple icon, it is there like Apple zone or Samsung zone, like we are identifying that zone and we are clustering that zones with density, right? So like that, at least shall we discuss the mini problem statement?
I will tell you one thing. So in this paper they mention the topic of region of interest. So region, for example, I have a largest crowd area. I have a largest mall. So I put a CC cameras. So I want to particular region interest. For example, I want particular dome. For example, a particular like a cloths or particular these things. So you can choose the particular region of interest. In that area, you can find the values. So we don't need to go to the which store how to tackle the problem.
So
advantage of
you mean to say, suppose it is closed section is there, only that camera or some like Apple stall it is there, then particular stall they're focusing and they're analyzing, so no need to identify which zone it is, that also correct.
So no, in that case, model doesn't work because if you want to go entire area, most of the cases are we found these sparse regions. Sparse is nothing but less people are gap is present. So gaps are present. So if you focus the major areas, for example, there is a shopping mall is present. In the large shopping malls, you have the 4 different zones. One is a clothing zone, one is, for example, kids zone, one is a men's zone. So if you focus in a single time in a particular area, complete area, you cannot calculate exactly how many persons are present. That's why they are doing is their interest is finding the region of interest. Nothing but you want to search for the particular area. In that particular area, how many members present?
Because why my thought went like that now, the initial problem statement which we have discussed is, suppose in a shopping mall where the crowd is going, so that the people, marketing people, they can target that area and then going deeper into that one. So what was happening inside that crowded area, so that's why I asked this question. So you
That
mean
is
to,
one of the cases for what you are talking. So what Jani is saying, like this research paper is having a similar kind of structure, but the solution they are trying to do is different. The problem itself is totally different. Uh, we can explore like what I am seeing here. First thing first, we will keep two things open. One, the way of doing work, that will be again same how we are doing the work current. We will go stage by stage, but before that, go through this particular research paper. We'll try to bring out the actual idea it's been asked here, and we'll just share our view, and based on that, we can start approaching the problem.
Yeah, that is better option because if we read the research paper, you they're tackling and how they approach this. So then we can come to conclusion. What are our problems?
Then we will convert our thought into the actual data science project with all the layers what data science is asking, like business justification, then data cleaning, pre-processing,
Okay.
EDA to model
So,
selection.
so
to
since
everything.
Janik bring up this project like a research paper, right? So we are jumping into that. But my question is, see, suppose he didn't bring this one, okay? So what will be the our next step? Searching some
Okay.
topic and finding out research papers, right? So I am trying to find out those like subtopics where we want to like dig more research papers. Like this is one topic, crowd density. Even I will search. This is one of the research papers. There may be other also, right? So like that, crowd density is one thing. So like that, what are the other things in a sequence we will be approaching? At least if we frame with some simple problem statements, then at least we will have some full idea what is the first step, what is the second step. Then digging into like alternative, this is one approach, another research paper may say another approach, but we know these are all related to crowd density. Next one maybe position get share like that.
And then already Jani has referred that link.
Papers.
So apart from that, apart from that, we can also explore other areas where we can get more use cases like this or research paper like this.
So our
And
keyword will
again,
be like crowd density only, right?
yes, crowd density, and again the domain will be like business domain will be retail.
Retail.
So that way it will be more easier to correlate the point. Jani, you can correct me if I'm going wrong here.
No, that is right.
So how you search this one, retail marketing and crowd density, or alone crowd density? Because Google search we have done crowd density papers with code, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, I follow reverse engineering as usual. So I just search for the
Papers with
particular
code.
topic. Paper not in the starting. I'm not with paper school with code. So I started with just a normal keyword. So in the keyword, in the references, in the blocks, I search the current state of algorithm for the crowd density estimation. Then I found the SDC net. So, they are the two nets are present. So SDC net one, another one is a SSDC net. The two networks is present. So these two are the state of algorithms currently for the crowd density estimation. So if I read it in the block, then I search in the papers with code, particular topic.
Okay. Okay, good. So let us go then in this way. Like this research paper, everyone will go through, right? That is the next task. At least understand. Try
I
to
think
understand the abstract.
yeah,
Yes,
abstract.
yes.
Okay.
Because in the I will give just overview. So in this paper, if you know the VGG16 network and you know the UCNet and VGG16, these two are the major things for this research paper. We know, if you know the basic things, how VGG16 works, how UCNet works. So those are things enough for the complete research paper.
Okay. So
Because they using
those
the
topics are
combination of
like Johnny, you just post in that WhatsApp group. If it is like, if you search with that keyword yourself, your videos also will come, right? So it's okay, video or keyword. Just that then at least people will try to remember those things and try to go in that area.
So up to now I didn't come to conclusion. So that's
Not
why I didn't
conclusion,
post.
that the keywords which you are telling, right? So
Okay, okay,
sometimes
okay.
it will be very very new. Sometimes okay, we will be hearing about.
VGG16 and
Yeah. So VE16 is nothing starting on CNN in the pre-trained weights we use it now.
yes, data format.
So my another question is
Two-layer
everybody.
VGG16 and VGG.
So in the meeting, if there is 7 members present now.
Mhm.
So everybody knows basic deep learning or from ML.
So
Yeah, basic one.
basics only. Now I am not an expert in deep learning. That's what. So
I'm also
if
not expert.
you are
So I'm
telling
just
that,
asking.
no, my level I am telling now. If you are telling those keywords, to be frank, I am not heard of these two keywords. Okay, so that now if I can go through some of those videos and get to know more about those topics, and I can read that abstract. Okay, so I will get the clear picture of what terminology they are speaking, those things. So for that only I'm asking those things.
Okay, no, bro. So because I'm just asking because I don't know completely, but I am also going to the searching and referring, searching and referring. That's in that manner, reverse engineering manner.
Yes, we go like that only. No, not issue, because nobody is like, if he is perfect, he will not be with us in discussing like this, right? We are all at that same level. So start
Yeah.
explore, gain some knowledge, share, and increase your skill.
Yeah.
So Sripati,
So no,
what do you say,
no
Sripati?
problem.
Like next, like we will try to keep the small task and keep moving, or we will get the overview and then move to the smaller task.
Yeah, like one research paper, this is good. We all should go together on this.
Mm.
Bring if um, like everybody should give 2 to 3 minutes their thought on this,
Mm.
and then we will start approaching. By the time option, like we will also explore other research paper as well. This
Okay.
will be like we'll start with, and then we will get into that data science mode, like
Okay.
how it is.
So going through this abstract and understand what they are doing, we will be discussing in the next week.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is a completely a new topic for everyone,
So
going deep, because high level everybody is knowing how it is working. What even demonstration by Jani was pretty much good. Like it was counting the people and then saying what now we are going to deep dive on that and what we are going to solve the problem. Those things will be coming through this abstract part only. Let's get into this.
Solution is 20% of it complete of AI.
Correct.
You need
Correct.
to understand the 80% of the concept, then only you can do the things. Because I,
Exactly.
I didn't train the model, I didn't do anything. So I know I just read the paper, I download the pre-trained weights, I
Yeah.
just give the input. So these all can work beside, but we need to explain the things, then only it matters.
It's a working code, so definitely it's going to run anywhere, run wherever you want, and you will see the output also. But
Yeah.
understanding each and every line and what it is getting tried there, what new change we can do in that, and that is going to be a new research. Let's
Yeah.
say if we are tweaking few codes here and there and bringing out something new in that, that is the new research, no? And that we have to do if we will be like going in that direction. So that will be the added advantage for us also. Like we had reference paper from here, and on top of it, we have tried something new, and that we can showcase. That should be our ideal goal actually.
So actually, that model was trained with GPU.
Hmm.
So
So
because
we
I
have to
don't
use
have any,
Colab.
no, I don't have any GPU in my system. Collab also not works. So that's why
No,
I
that we have to get into Colab using Google Pro.
no,
That is what
so then no. We can convert the from GPU to CPU. We can change the
CPU.
model. Yeah, but
Ah.
it takes some time. That's the matter.
Okay. So that's a workaround actually, Jani. But when it comes to high density,
Yeah.
when we will be doing with the streaming data and all, no, and there this concept of CPU will not work.
But
That should
collab
be
it is good,
available.
right? Collab we can use, no? What is the problem in using collab?
No. In Colab, we have to have, I think, some professional version we have to
Oh,
acquire. Then only GPU will be available.
But
I don't know like much about
what about free version they are giving? So
the default one, right? The
default one. There will be only time
If
limit.
we,
I can say there is no like
Aman,
usage
you
limit.
want to say?
Yeah, Collab uses NVIDIA Tesla. So what's the problem? It uses GPU.
Even
but I
there
didn't
one
try
option is
just
there,
in
TPU
CPU.
also there. I have seen that one, so I haven't
No,
used it.
TPU is fine. Yeah, I just converted into the GPU to CPU. I just do one in my local Collab. I just just did that.
So then
And these
Because
are all, Jani, these all
because
are
if
falling
you
under deep learning, right?
yeah, if you want to train the model from completely, the Google Colab will crashes at a particular time. So you need to retrain. So it crashes the more because the parameters which this model contains is more compared to the normal things. So I didn't try particularly, but what I was expecting this, so I didn't try on Google. I converted the
let's try now. Aman is okay with that collab, right? So share that whatever
Yes.
work or that code na in that group, okay, directly. Or if it is like the one which we are seeing like Git link, if it is same, you have done some work of it. You transfer that files to him, and he will try to load it in collab, and he will see it.
okay.
And
Yeah.
Aman, let's see whether it works. Definitely, it will work. Okay, I'm sure.
So before going to running the code all thing, first of all we need to go to the paper. That's the best option I think. So because at the end of the day we run the code because we already have the code, no problem with it. So the main thing I am expecting is so I take nearly 3 days to understand the research paper completely. So it
That
is
is
the
the
major
good part.
thing.
Like you already have gone through one, so you have the insight. So let's all of us get into this, try to understand the entire paper, and
Uh,
next meeting.
because a lot of things are new things and some
Yeah, even
we need to
I'm saying lots of new thing when it was going through. So need to work on this. Definitely.
We should
I will put
challenge
the code.
ourselves with new things. Na? Then only like if something is coming new,
So we
real
can
world everything, it will not be like the normal ones.
Correct,
Every time
correct.
new
These are
things
the
will be
things going
coming.
to come.
So we
Yep.
should adopt going with new things. So learn fast, implement fast like that. Then only we can survive with the competition.
so we can do that. If you regularly update.
Definitely, we will keep like see first week one week we took because it is the first meet. Okay, this is again 3 days. So for abstract, since it is a small task, again we'll keep 3 days limit, and we'll keep come and meet
And
us.
people will be more working on this project now because it is going to be a new learning and it is interesting also. It's like connecting more to the near real time things. So that AQI and all, it is like for learning, it is good. Definitely for learning, it is really good how data science project goes. But these things are going to work a lot if you start
That will
in a
soon
big
finish.
high.
That is not taking more
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Our data set is a
We have to.
1 year data set. Now I have scrapped and made it ready and updated in our
We
GitHub.
have to. We
Okay.
have to.
So Aman, I have updated that data set 1 hour data in that GitHub. If you want to fill any values, you fill any values and do analysis. Once it is then model building, it will not take much part, but we have to know like
No,
how it is
model
being.
building hardly. Yeah.
Okay, I will try.
So when we
Cool.
will meet
Ishwar, so
again?
we can wrap up today.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
we
will be
will
good.
wrap the meeting today, and let's come next time with everybody will be going through this research
We
paper.
have our IQA meeting tomorrow, and Saturday morning also again with Ainur and IQA meeting. Then Sunday or Monday for this
Keep it on Monday.
Monday it will be
Yeah,
good.
keep
Okay,
it on Monday. Yeah.
take time for
I,
Sunday.
Monday, I think so. Monday you have meeting in it. Sorry, Sunday.
Sunday
Sunday you have meeting with Ainur.
19 means
No,
Saturday.
no, that is Saturday. Saturday we have. For this, we will meet on Monday because we will get 3 days of time from tomorrow.
That's what 1, 2, 3,
So
3 days, and then meet
yeah,
on 21. Thing is, we
21
will not
and
stick to only abstract. Okay, if Johnny, if you say then at least they will look into that other part instead of waiting only for the meeting.
So go through anything, but I'm just saying you need 4 to 5 times with the abstract part. Then you can understand overview. Then you can go to the down part. I'm just
So
saying that I'm not dealing with.
I will say like this: how much you can able to understand this one, and after that inside this whatever the technologies it is there, like he told, right? Those even try to come up with some brief, so that now who are new, who are not gone through, you will give their guidelines. So these two, it is more than enough, I think.
Yeah.
Okay
Yeah,
then.
we can go through CNN also for understanding all the state of art model and all these things.
And somebody especially Jani or Sripati, you people are like try to drive the team if even for learning, see implementing wise anyhow you have to drive, that is of sure, but even for learning wise, right? So to understand or to take this activity, you have to go through this is the reference links for learning. If you are sharing that one now, even people will go through those before attending these code implement, they will be like confident.
sure, So whatever it is coming, even Jenny, I feel like you are
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
lots of exploration, so that is really good. For me, it's a mixer kind of thing. To be very honest, like I have to take care of data engineering part also because of my MTech is demanding both. Today I was just going through a very outdated topic, Flume. I think Hadoop, you guys know Apache Flume and Scoop and all. So I was going through that. So little bit of outdated thing I'm doing, but anyway, whatever related to this data science, anything is coming, I will keep on sharing. No worry.
Yeah, so target means the target specific learning kinds, so people try to post relevant links, logs, videos, whatever it is, so now people will learn. That will be good.
No worry,
Yeah.
Iswar, you will pick up this also. I know. Very soon you will be guiding everyone.
That is what, see, startup push, we should know, right? If you people are sharing or guiding,
We
they
will do it.
will know
Yeah, we
everything.
will do it. Don't worry. Yeah.
So any other
So
points
next
for
meeting,
today?
next meeting, everybody is coming after going through this research paper first thing first, and then they can explore the other option also, that how we can reach out to a project.
So what this problem
Yeah.
statement, what this research paper says, they have to, everybody have to say something about it, and what they want, like our retail marketing A to Z for it, at least overview of it.
Mm.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Fine. Aman, Raja, Ravi, everybody is okay with that? You want to
Yeah,
add
I'm
something?
okay with that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let
Don't be silent, man. If you feel anything like it's a platform, you can speak up
yes,
anything
yes.
of your mind. Nothing like whatever we are discussing, telling, going to be followed. You can ask us to follow something. We are ready to follow that. Yeah. Cool. Fine, Iswa. So let's meet on Monday for this particular segment.
Okay. Okay then. See you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Good
Bye,
night.
bye,
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
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 Good night.
Thank you.